Alright guys, what is up? Today is another exciting day where this is gonna be riding on track. Sorry, I'm a bit uncomfortable now on my DRZ because my DRZ I'm riding currently is with the top box. And I'm wearing a full suit, if y'all can't tell. Yeah, I'm on my full suit now. And I'm heading over to find a moto newbie. Oh damn, Sami, close. Too close for comfort. I'm going over to look for moto newbie, and we are going to ride over to KF1 Kranji. Today we are going to ride on track on our it's not our it's rental bikes. It's the KAYO KAYO MINIGP. I'm sure you have seen the small bikes lah. Mostly it's in white color. Some of them they have the race decals and stickers already. And yeah. So we're gonna have some fun on track today. But before that, I go and find him first. Then we're gonna ride over together like idiots on the road. With full suit. Yeah, it looks ridiculous really, but you see all these cars are probably gonna judge me on a DRZ with a stupid top box and a full suit. Ridiculous, I say ridiculous. No choice, you're gonna get judged, bro. You're gonna get judged. I'm sure a lot of them are looking at me right now. They are all behind me, just looking. You see through the mirror, it's all the cars. Because it's really ridiculous lah. Someone with top box some more. What to do? No choice, This is what you get if you have no transport of your bike. Sibit jialat lah. Very hot some more, I had a mini mishap with my GoPro battery. I hope Moto Movie got spare battery for me. I don't know why. It's just that when I put my battery into the GoPro, right? But I very clearly turned the battery off on the GoPro. So the battery is inside the GoPro with it off lah. But then I don't know, somehow when I wanted to record my vlog today, like now, right? I turned on the GoPro and then the GoPro was at 10% only, the battery. I don't know why, Then then I only left with one battery now. So currently I'm vlogging with that last battery I have. Hopefully it can last until... Oh, what happened, man? Hopefully it can last until the end of the ride, I hope. Sibit jialat. Let's test out the battery lah. Let's go pay Moto Newbie a visit. This will be the first time I'm riding full suit with another guy on the track, on the road. I mean, it's gonna be ridiculous, I say. Oh, 你在那边给。好像说嗨这样我们。那得帅，白痴干那难找 neutral。等一下啦，现在看到很热你看。好来，哎呀，你买这个这以前的这个 not bad actually, but it's just 给我太小。等一下我 zip。等一下我 clip 转多一点的。 等下转过来。OK 啊，什么东西？我的什么？哦，在 bag 里面哦，这个。干高位噻。我 GPS 我会去了 ，just 去到 Kranji MRT 那边的。啊，哎，你不要放 KF1 呢，放Kranji MRT。呀呀，从那边进的。OK OK。可以吗 ？OK。like retarded only, yo. Okay, now we are heading over to KF1. Okay. So high, yeah. Kena 我的这个 boss 更高位噻，很干高位。算了 ，anyway 又不是驾 DLC 今天。If some of you don't know about KF1, right? If you go and put KF1, if you go and put KF1 inside your GPS map, it will lead you to the turf club there. So you don't want to go over to that turf club, that KF1. That side is a different place, really. You just want to set to Kranji MRT. Then it's just beside Kranji MRT only. There, here. 这个。另外一边，我跌这边没有，这边 OK。因为我 lean 每次 lean left， 我没有 lean right。Right, so past Kranji MRT, don't turn into this one. Taxi, why you like that? Why you like that? Don't turn into this one. Turn into this one. There you'll see KF1 Karting Circuit. So this is the one you want to go. If you ever come here for a go-kart, KAYO Mini or whatever your track days, blah blah blah. Hey, sialah, got R1. Woo! Alan. Okay lah, I park here. 拍摄啊！哎呦 ，squeezy as fuck！ fuck 啦！OK。哎呀！哦 shit！ 拉到我的 muscle。西北加辣哦，刚刚来这边每次没有 transport 是最加辣的。每个人你看，他们全部带 back 啦，这我们要穿速过来呀。好嘞。呀咯，这样找没？等一下咯，等一下去找 Joe 那个。Hey, my glove.